Getting enough sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet. Research shows that poor sleep has immediate negative effects on your exercise performance, physical, and mental health. Contrary, good sleep can help you eat less, exercise better, and be healthier. But if you have trouble sleeping at night, finding yourself hard to fall asleep, or may wake up several times throughout the night and experience low energy during the day, in this video, we will share you 3 weird tips you've never heard for a restful night's sleep. Let's get started. 1. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Breathing well helps our body relax and lower our stress hormones, but many of us forget to do it. Andrew Weil, the director of the Arizona Center for Integrative Medicine at the University of Arizona, developed the 4-7-8 breathing technique. You can do it in 3 steps. First, breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Then, hold your breath for 7 seconds. Finally, exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this process 4 times. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? And why does this work? Well, this exercise allows your lungs to become fully charged with air, allowing more oxygen to be circulated throughout the body, which promotes a state of relaxation. And for maximum benefit, practice this technique twice a day, every day. It's a small, fast, and easy exercise that could seriously improve your well-being and sleep. 2. Drink banana tea. Wait, what? Ever heard of making tea with bananas? Well, it's not that common, but if you're looking for ways to promote better sleep, it could help you sleep faster and easier. That's because bananas are packed with magnesium, which is very important for your health, being responsible for hundreds of bodily functions and helping you to relax. Eating a banana is great, but if you want the extra magnesium, you'll find it mostly in the banana peel. There are recipes for banana tea that many have tried and tested and have reported back good things. The easiest one is to take a banana, wash it, cut off the tip, the stem, and cut it in half, leaving the fruit in and the skin on. Then, put it in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes, and then drink the water with a little bit of honey. Honey is a great addition to banana tea because it helps regulate blood sugar, which is also important for restful sleep. Some have innovated this simple banana tea recipe to make it somewhat more decadent. This is what ingredients you will need. 1 cup water, 1 cup almond milk, or milk of choice, 1 whole banana, chopped off at each end and cut in half, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 2 teaspoons honey, 1 teaspoon carob, and a pinch of cinnamon. After that, boil the water, add the ingredients as they are, and after 10 minutes, strain. Are you going to try this healthy sleep recipe? Let us know in the comment section. 3. Don't try to fall asleep. I know, this is a strange way to start off a list about falling asleep. But as it turns out, challenging yourself to stay awake can actually trick your brain into falling asleep. It's called the sleep paradox. But here's the challenge. You must lie in bed with your eyes wide open, without having any electronic devices to keep you distracted. And we all know that electronic devices keep us awake, even if it's been told to us many times. We still have the bad habit of checking our phone during the night. In conclusion, avoid electronics and don't push yourself too hard to fall asleep. Relax and let it happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.